Have you ever been scrolling through the Explore page on Instagram and suddenly a video starts playing? You can hear the sound perfectly, but the screen is just black? Yeah, super weird. And no, the video isn't deleted or broken. It's there with sound and everything, but for some reason, Instagram just doesn't show the visual. So why does this happen? Well, it's usually a glitch in the Instagram app itself, but it can also be caused by your phone running low on memory, storage issues, or even having battery saver or data saver turned on. Sometimes, a weak or unstable internet connection can also mess with how videos load, especially in the Explore feed. But don't worry, here's how to fix it. First, update your Instagram app. It sounds simple, but a lot of bugs get fixed in new updates. Second, clear the app cache. If you're on Android, go to Settings Apps, Instagram Storage Clear Cache. This won't log you out. If you're on iPhone, you can try deleting and reinstalling the app instead. Third, try force stopping the app or just restarting your phone. It helps more than you'd think. And finally, make sure battery saver or data saver isn't turned on. Those modes can sometimes block videos from loading fully. If none of these work, it could just be a temporary Instagram bug, so be patient or try watching from a different account or device. Let me know in the comments if you've experienced this too and what worked for you. And if this helped, give the video a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.